I wanted to take a few minutes here and discuss the Cancer Project with you. You're given the next 3 days really to work on this project. Um, this document will be opened it'll be found in Google Classroom, and you just open this Cancer Project doc, and it should give you some information too. So keep in mind, why do we study cancer? Um, well, 1 in 4 of you will probably get cancer in your life, which means all the rest of you will know somebody who got cancer in their life. So it really affects a lot of people as you get older, and even some young people can get cancer as well. So it's a very important topic. Uh, and why are we learning about it now? Well, cancer is basically a problem in mitosis. There's something that's affected your body cells that it basically interferes with the cell cycle and causes uncontrollable mitosis. It just keeps occurring. So this is if a mutation occurs in one of your body cells, not your gametes, not your sperm or eggs. That could be passed on to your children, but not you. One of your other body cells could affect the cell cycle and therefore cause cancer. So the first bit here, these different videos you should have watched yesterday and filled out this form here. So we'll skip through that. And first thing you do when you're going to research on cancers, you need to pick one of the many cancers here. There's a number of them already listed. These are pretty common ones, so you shouldn't have any problem finding any information on on these typical cancers. So choose one that you find that's of interest to you. I would probably pick something that maybe you have a family member who's had one of those. Something that has more meaning to you would probably be a better one to do. Um, so once you've selected your cancer, you'll probably want to open the Google presentation. So I've already linked a Google presentation template for you. So you will go ahead and click on that. That way you don't have to upload any file or anything. It'll already be linked to Google Classroom. So do your presentation. You're on this Google Slides format. Whatever your cancer name is, replace it there, and also give me your name and what bell you're in. And that's your first slide complete. On the second slide is a rubric. This is how I'm going to grade your paper, your slide presentation. So really, you should have a slide with each one of these boldface requirements. That's a good way to make sure that I know you did something on this assignment. And to get the full 5 points, make sure this stuff is listed under definitions and explanation. If you have that done, you got your 5 points, and then we move on. So each one of these will be 5 points until you get to this last one, which is sources and project instruction. Just basically, how did you do the presentation? Did you add lots of pictures? Make sure you do add pictures, fine grass, add things like that to make it a little bit more interesting. Did you do a bunch of copying and pasting from other websites? That's something I shouldn't see. Really, I should just see on each slide uh, 3 to 5 bullet points, real short statements that start to answer these things. And don't think that you have to have just one slide to do this. You might have to add a couple of slides to answer all the possible causes or risk factors. That's all right. I'd rather see just a couple of things and try to cram a bunch of stuff on one slide. Slides are free. Add as many new slides as you want. And then we just got slides, and you'll just start adding the slides, adding your title. So make sure you're following this rubric. Don't tell me you can't find it. It's on slide 2. So that should basically explain the Cancer Project. If you have any specific questions you want to ask, make sure you email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.